Good day all, this is TJ, the Park Popper, coming to you today from Lakeland, Florida. We are at Fred's Market Restaurant. We're here to try their buffet for lunch. Today's special proteins for that buffet are going to be catfish, trout, fried chicken, and meatloaf. This is a very well known smaller franchise. They actually have 3 locations here in Central Florida. They've been around quite a while, started in Plant City at a farmer's market, and then this is, I believe, their latest location here in Lakeland. So we're gonna give this a shot. I'm gonna show you the buffet, show you all the food, let you know what my thoughts are. This sounds like something you're into. Let's do it.
The table is set, the kind of southern welcome you'll never forget. From the farm to the plate, it's slow cooking true, hearty and pure and waiting for you. It's more than a meal, it's a family tradition. Southern hospitality is our only mission.
All right, guys, so here we are at the salad bar. As you can see, they have regular iceberg lettuce and mixed green lettuce. Your eggs, tomatoes, shredded cheddar cheese, cucumbers, ham, pickles, beets, bacon, red onion, garbanzo beans, banana peppers. You have some sliced green onion, I believe, over in the corner. Actually, no, that is bell pepper. You have pickled jalapenos and black olive. Here with the dressings, of course, you have honey mustard, French, Thousand Island, balsamic vinaigrette, blue cheese, and ranch. You have raisins, croutons, and sunflower seeds. Here we have, it looks like chicken salad, potato salad. We have some broccoli sauce, and we have cucumber tomato salad, coleslaw, potato salad, actually Waldorf salad. You have cut cantaloupe, peaches, and cottage cheese, and an assortment of crackers, oil and vinegar, salt and pepper. Here for the soups, we have beef and cabbage, turkey and rice for the soups of the day. For desserts, we have pecan pie and banana pudding, bread pudding, peach cobbler, vanilla ice cream, chocolate ice cream, and butter pecan ice cream. Here we have mac and cheese, sweet potato souffle, our fried catfish, meatloaf, fried chicken, barbecue wings, sweet rolls, sweet potato souffle, our grilled rainbow trout, skillet cornbread, okra and tomatoes, grits, again fried chicken and fried green tomatoes. We have mashed potatoes, brown gravy, cabbage, and the chicken pot pie, corn muffins, and mac and cheese. So we have the corn casserole, the grilled rainbow trout, barbecue ribs, which I'm excited about, and the sweet rolls. You've also got some garnishments, cocktail, tartar, and butter. All right, guys, here's my salad plate. As you can see, I got mixed greens, blue cheese dressing, got some ham, black olives, bacon, cheese, eggs, some beets. I don't know why I didn't get any other vegetables on this plate. Oh, I did get some garbanzo beans, but I went very protein, fat heavy on this plate. But yeah, everything looks great, and I'm excited to give this a shot. All right, guys, so first off, I'm going to start with the beets, just to see if they're pickled or not. Beets are one of my favorite vegetables, and they're really good for rebuilding your hemoglobin. So I'm having some anemia, so I always want to get these. Here we go. These are pickled. They are lightly pickled, which is really good. You can still taste the beet. Not salty, vinegary, not overly sweet, fairly good. Here's some half and half tea, sweet tea, unsweet sweet tea. Very good, very crisp, not very sweet, which is great. Now I'm gonna try their blue cheese dressing. Got a big old bite of blue cheese here. Very tangy, creamy, not really buttermilky. Which is good. All the produce looks really fresh here, even though I didn't get much on this plate. All right, guys, well, so far so good. I'm gonna go on and continue with this finish up the salad, then I'll give you my show you my next plate. All right, guys. So here's my plate. My primary plate here. I've got rainbow trout, some of the collard greens, a little touch of the corn casserole. I've had my plate filled up, but I had to get a little bit of that. Here's rutabaga, some of their cabbage, a little square of meatloaf. This is their barbecue chicken wing that my friend said was great, and fried green tomato to try, and a little piece of fried catfish. So I'm gonna give this a shot and let you know my thoughts here. All right, first off, I'm gonna give a shot to the rainbow trout. See how that is. My daughter said it was great, so I'm excited to give it a shot. Very tender. Everyone's looking at everyone in my table and family is looking at me wanting to know what my response is to this, but the rainbow trout is really good. Now the collard greens. Oh, very savory. I would say those are cooked with pork, maybe. And then the little bite of the corn casserole. Sweet, unctuous. Now my favorite vegetable on this plate has to be the rutabaga. Really good. Not quite to the level of Casey's, but a really good rutabaga. Cut bigger. I appreciate that. They're really enjoyable. Now a bite of the cabbage. Tender, delicious.
I really want to eat it. No. Thank you.
Most of my family's kind of finished their meals here. I'm like the last one because it takes time to actually do this video, and so my wife, I think, barely got to her plate. Now they do price things accordingly. If you eat very little, you're vegetarian, they do have, as you saw on the menu, they price it down, make it cheaper. So I do appreciate that. Now this catfish. Meaty, good. I like a little bit more salt and pepper, but it's not bad. Curious about this fried green tomato. Hard, crispy from the cornmeal breading, really good. Now a bite of the meatloaf. I think meatloaf is one of my wife's favorite foods here. A good amount of beef, not too slugged out in terms of being meatloaf. I like it. Now the barbecue chicken wing. Again, this is fried, but it's kind of got a glaze, like a honey barbecue glaze on it that's very light. Not really like a heavy barbecue sauce, but that's really good. So overall, I really appreciate the collard greens, the rainbow trout, that chicken wing are all really good. The rutabagas and so forth are good as well. But I think those three things are the best on the plate. All right, guys. So just so I tried most of the things here. Here is the rib, mashed potatoes and brown gravy, a little bit of the chicken pot pie, the green beans, and mac and cheese. Had to give that a shot. For dessert, and a little bit differently, I ended up getting Waldorf salad. All right, guys, so first up, I'm going to give a shot to the green beans, see how those are. These are those big French green beans, so we'll see how that is. Salty, very well cooked. Now the mac and cheese. This is a casserole type mac and cheese, not necessarily the liquidy type. All right.
Oh, no, I'm fine. Yeah, no, I'm fine.
Very good. A lot of cheese in that. So not a really sharp cheese. I appreciate that. Now the mashed potatoes and gravy. Mashed potatoes are great. Very luscious, a good amount of brown gravy. Here we are with the chicken pot pie and the bread. So here we go. I would say on this plate, the mashed potatoes and the chicken pot pie were the best. Now, let's give a shot to this rib. I did get a little bit of their house barbecue sauce that they serve warm up on the buffet. They look dry, but they're moist on the inside. Really good. Now I'm going to try the Waldorf salad. Don't sleep on that. It's really good. Plenty of raisins, yellows, standards, raisins in there, few pecans, red apple, mayonnaise. Delicious. All right, guys, and with that, we are done with our meal here at Fred's Marketplace Restaurant in Lakeland, Florida. Have to say that it was an awesome meal. Delicious proteins, awesome sides, everything was great. Much more of a step up above, definitely above kind of like your Golden Corral restaurant buffet, kind of approaching Disney level, not quite, but it's only $17.99 a person for all you can eat. And then they give you a discount of $1 or $2 for single trip. Then you have a vegetarian only option, and then there is a soup and salad only option as well. So just different varied prices there. Overall, it's a great value. Drinks being $3.48. So yeah, an excellent value, excellent meal, good quality food. Again, a lot of that, some of that is farm to table, and you can really taste that in the quality. So again, I am TJ the Park Popper. If you love what I do, please vibe, like, and subscribe, and I will see you again really soon. Have a great week.